Welcome to CardExchange Controller. In this video, we will show you how to use the people list. This is the people list, where you can find the persons that you have created in your account. If you use the search for that, you can search for any person that you have created. Also, here is the advanced search space. You can search for something specific, fields or groups, like for example, the gender. You can search for male, female, and others. And if you want to save it, you can just search it later. It will be saved here. Here at the top of the screen, you have some buttons, for example, to export the CSV that will export all the records that you have in your account to a CSV file. The Add Person button, it will create a new person in your account. You will need to insert fields like first and last name. The next button is the Refresh button that will refresh the data. At this Table Settings button, you can search and modify things like, for example, the table settings, or what fields do you want to see on this table. For example, you can show the mobile number and either the birth date, you can, for example, add the middle name, and it will show right here. And the search settings will this as a new search option. For example, you can search for the phone number. The next button is the filter option that you can create to manage what filters will be visible to you on the main window. At the bottom of the screen, you can select how many items per page will be visible to you. For example, we have 15, 50, or 100. And we have the navigation buttons that you can click to move from page to page. Also, you can import records. If you select the People tab, click on Import. Here you can drop or choose the CSV file that you want to import records from. And that is it for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful videos to maximize your experience with CardExchange Controller.